Okay, since we're going to be installing our lead screw, in order to make our lead screw, we needed some facsimile of the lead screw. And this printer they got down there is about a 17-inch bed. It was able to get this entire, well, I didn't get the entire screw, but I got all the pertinent data. You can see it in there. And I got a piece of material. So, on to the compound. Okay, we're going to start doing the compound slide. I'm just going to get started. But I have a Chris Simpson, I believe it's Simpson, his channel. He has a machine just like mine, and I thought he told me what this was, and I don't remember. But what it is, I got this nut here, and there's I can run a rod all the way through this compound from end to end, and then I can lock on it with that nut. Now this is just my chuck key for mounting my chucks. So it's for the lug mounts. So that, pay no attention to that. We're just looking at the steel rod. So the steel rod, and it goes all the way through. It runs through there, and this obviously pinches it and locks it in place. Not really. I don't remember. I don't know what's for. It may work in conjunction with something else on the dial. In fact, I think it may. I think it may go through this hole here right above my thumb here. There where the blue is right there. Come on, you know, the bottom hole there. I can't point to it because I got enough fingers, not enough hands. That one. So it works in conjunction with that on the front of the dial face. So if anybody pass that on to me. So here's my compound slide. This is my this is for retaining my nut. This is a screw for my my Gib adjustment back there. There's a screw for my Gib adjustment here. And my Gib is down in here somewhere, I think. Or it's up on this wall, and the magnet not. I guess I better go find the Gib if I have any hope of getting that mounted. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me point out some of these oilers here. So right here, we have oil passages, and that is for oil moving upwards. That is coming from the apron. It's coming from this pump down here, through here, up these holes, into these holes, while lubricating these ways, of course, and lubricating this surface. And I think that's the extent of its lubrication. And the same thing applies underneath the carriage, saddle. Oil is being transferred over to these ways through similar means. Okay, let me find my Gib, and we'll get that thing mounted and adjusted. Okay, we found the Gib. We're gonna put a little oil on it up here. Gonna get a little oil on here. Okay, now normally this thing all tightens up usually, in this neighborhood here, I think. So we don't get to travel this far. Maybe we can adjust it to do that. But. So we're going to slide our Gib in. This Gib has this apparently stainless steel plate brazed on there. Looks like it's silver soldered. And that's going against the inside V-way. So I'm going to take this and hold this with the way sticking out about 3/4 of an inch, and hold that in that position. And send this through its travel. I'm going to see how far I can get it to go in before it engages the. Okay, so I'm going to put the adjustment screw in. Okay, so it starts getting tight right there. Let me see where that puts everything else.
Pretty cool. It's got this. Oh, dimple dies. That thing is awesome. I will buy this hood because it's dimple died, guys. And buy a hood, I mean the whole damn trip.
Okay,
Guys, that thing is awesome.
I really don't have any adjustment on my the screw from my Gib on the rear piece. I made a piece, quarter-inch longer screws. At this point, having already fitted it to the machine, it may not have been enough, but well, actually, no, I got all the travel I can get without doing some machining to the compound slide itself. This is a die holder I made. I got these dies that go from a number 4 to a quarter 20. They're about a half-inch square, a little greater than a half-inch square. Well, let me see here. They're actually get this thing set for inches. We're around 600,000 square. I don't have any wrenches to hold that die. No, actually I have one wrench, but it wouldn't fit in any of my die holders. So here we are cutting some threads. I need to cut all the way to the shoulder. Okay, a lot of times you need to make a part to finish a project, and you know, I can't seem to get my voiceover to start in the right spot. I'm flipping the die, get my threads all the way to the shoulder. I don't know if I've mentioned it yet. I had no adjustment on that rear Gib adjustment screw. Thanks to new subscribers, Lisa, Minot, M-I-N-O-T-T, probably butchering these names, Wanderson Lima Group. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend.
Take the extension cord off because he just drove across town with it. A little whiskey dent over there on the passenger side lower fender. Kind of kinked the fender up. Little dinger there. It's got the Gillette Kodiak sound like we talked about earlier. What are these? The free locks? I don't know. Never heard of those.
Okay, so there's the final part.